Hey guys, so it's definitely a beautiful sunny day here in North Texas, and we have a lot of new blooms. We've been doing a lot of planting. I'm feeling good this week. I wanted to show you beautiful larkspur that I've grown. Yes, we already have blooms. And as I walked the garden, so I did a rose garden tour, and I have so many more blooms to show you guys. So be on the lookout for another garden tour coming up because we have a lot of flowers. So I wanted to show you guys, I have larkspur here. Not sure if this is capturing on camera, but here's my hip. It's it's taller than my hip actually. So we have one of our patches of larkspur, and you guys, we already have blooms. So this was one of the first. The very first bloom that we had was a pink larkspur, and we have a couple of different patches, different successions in the garden of larkspur. And I planted these, you guys, in the winter. So if people are thinking, oh, you can't grow flowers in the winter, just proved you guys wrong. So this is a beautiful larkspur, and the stem was super long, but I did trim it. And so we have some more coming in here, and I'm going to show you guys what else I planted in the winter. The secret, you guys, if you want your longer stems, so this is also to my waist. See if I can get how long the stem really is. It goes all the way down to the ground. The trick and tip to getting your longer stems, really, you guys, is planting very early in the fall, your annuals. It's Sunday morning, and hubby and I are harvesting a few flowers for the market. Hey guys, so I'm finally all set up after a rough night. So I have 3 out of 6 people in my household are not feeling well, and last night was really rough. But I got the booth set up, and so I'm gonna let you guys take a look. So we have reached the end of the market, and so I have only these. flowers left. So it's been an amazing market again. We did not sell out today, but we're hoping tomorrow. The markets have been increasing every week, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope to see you in the next one, and always wishing you peace, love, and flowers.